so the next letter is the letter K. We are going to have a top start for the K. So I'm going to put my dot at the top line. I'm going to draw one line down. I'm going to pick my pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal down. Okay, so it's the capital K. What I'd like you to do is put your finger up in the air, point to that dot. I want you to drag your finger down to the bottom line, pick your pencil up, go to the next line about the same distance you would for the H, and you diagonal in, diagonal down. For the lowercase k, it's the same thing, except your diagonal in and diagonal down is going to be from the middle line. So top start for the lowercase k, you're going to make a line down, and then when you pick your pencil up, you're going to go to the middle line and diagonal in, diagonal down. Okay, that's the lowercase k. Take your finger, put it at that dot. I want you to go ahead and trace down, pick your pencil up, go to the middle line, diagonal in, diagonal down. Okay, let's go ahead and switch. Okay, I'm going to ask you to find your K, and it's on the second line. We're going to start at the top, go down, and you're going to pick your pencil up. You're going to diagonal in, diagonal out. I know in the earlier video I had said diagonal in, diagonal down, but I kind of like it better diagonal in, diagonal out. Okay, retrace again. You're going to start at the top, go down, pick your pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal out. Again, you're going to top start, down, take your pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal out. Okay, the next K is down on the second row of the lowercase letters, top start. You're going to trace this one down, pick your pencil up, middle line, diagonal in, diagonal out. Again, retracing this letter, top start, go down, middle line, diagonal in, diagonal out. And the last retrace of this one, trace down, pick your pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal out. Okay, once you go ahead and erase that, you're going to flip your paper over, find row number 1, and we're going to focus on capital K's on this line. We're going to top start, down, pick your pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal out. Next, top start, down, pick your pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal out. Next line, or next example, top start, down, pick your pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal out. And the last example, top start, down, pick your pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal out. Row number 2, you're going to work on just lowercase k's, top start, down, pick your pencil up, go to the middle line, diagonal in, diagonal out. With the next one, I'd like top start, down, pick your pencil up, middle line, diagonal in, diagonal out. Next example, top start, down, pick your pencil up, diagonal in, diagonal out. And the last example, top start, down, diagonal in, diagonal out. Don't forget, it starts at that middle line for the lowercase k. For line 3 and 4, you're going to go ahead and do a combination of a capital K and a lowercase k, capital K and a lowercase k, capital K and a lowercase k. Same thing on number 4. I'd like at least 3 examples of that. For line 5 and 6, you are going to do the word kick first. Now, we haven't done a lot of C's to practice, so that gives us a chance to practice 2 K's and 1 C in this particular word. We're going to pretend it is not the beginning of the sentence, so it's going to be a lowercase k, top start, down, middle start, diagonal in, diagonal out, then an I. Don't forget to dot your I halfway between. Now your C starts a little bit below the middle line. You curve up, curve down, stop, and then your K again, top start, down, diagonal in, diagonal out. You're going to give it some space and do the next one. K, diagonal in, diagonal out, I, middle start, monkey tail, dot your I, lowercase c, you can curve up, curve down, stop, and then the K, top start, down, middle line, diagonal in, diagonal out. Okay. With line 6, you're going to do kick 2 more times. And then the last one that you're going to do is the word kin. It's another name for family, like your kin are your family members. To spell kin, it's K. We're going to do a lowercase k because it's not the beginning of our sentence, nor is it a proper noun. Top start down, diagonal in, diagonal out at that middle line. Lowercase i's, middle start, monkey tail, and then dot your I, and then an N is a middle start, go down, retrace back up, hill with a monkey tail. All right, and you're going to do kin one more time, K, I, N. All right, when you are done with this activity, please make sure you take a picture and upload it to your Seesaw.